Hello, I'm in a 2017 Kia Forte, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, French, or Korean. So first, to make sure your vehicle's on and your display's on, which currently are. This is your home screen, which you can also get to by pushing the home button in the corner. And then from here, we can do setup with this button or this button. And then we'll scroll over so we get to language. And then from here, you've got your 4 options: English, French, Spanish, or Korean. So let's say we want Spanish. It should just auto update everything, so there's no other buttons you need to click. And then in a moment, I speak English, so I'll show you how to do this all again to switch it back to English. So again, from your home screen, we'll do your setup, and then scroll over to this idioma is your language, and then we'll select English, and then again, just wait just a moment and it auto changes. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.